you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a PR unboxing and I'm excited for it. I've got a few things here that I just cannot wait to share with you guys. However, there is one PR package that I'm waiting for, but I don't think I'm going to get. It was actually from Pixie. They send me things regularly, and it's got held up with Hermes in the mail, and I've tried to contact different people and I just don't seem to be getting very far with it. So I don't think I'm going to get that package, which I'm very sad about because it was a really cool package. I've seen it all across Instagram, and all the bloggers and Instagram people that I follow have got it, and yeah, it's a shame, but I've still got some other bits that I want to show you guys. So before we go ahead and get into this video, I am gonna, this is not PR, I bought this literally yesterday. I got it from the Revolution website because you know I love Revolution, and this is a Tasty Peach Softly Tinted Peach Scented Lip Oil, and honestly it's so good. I love lip balms and anything like that, and when I saw this like peach lip oil I was like, I want to try that. So it smells so good. It literally smells of peach and it is so nice. It just gives your lips like moisture, and it's like an oil, so it's not greasy, it's not sticky, nothing. It's really nice and it smells amazing. And my cat is right here, so you have to get down, honestly. So you guys, let's get into the PR unboxing. So the first thing that I got was from one of my favourite brands, So Fragrance, and they kindly sent me over a few bits. So I've actually took it out of the box because when I get PR, what I do throughout the week is I'll collect the boxes, because I get quite a bit. I'll collect the boxes and then break them down at the end of the week and put them in the recycling bin. So I like to take things straight out of boxes. Mostly, unless there's some really cool packaging that I want to share with you guys, then I'll do it like that. So let me show you guys what So Fragrance sent over to me. Now, the manager at So Fragrance has, the lady that was dealing with me and working with me on a regular basis has left now, and it's sad because I'm going to miss her. But before she left, she said, I'm going to send you over a load of bits, choose some stuff on our website, and I want to thank you for like all your work and just working with you in general. And I thought that was so kind, and it still blows my mind being able to contact brands and working with them and receiving things like this. Like, my teenage self would be screaming right now because I used to love So Fragrance and I still do. So I'm going to show you guys what I got whilst I wave this around. So the first thing they sent over was this Santorini Sunset body mist. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but I've used quite a bit and I love it. It smells of the beach. It smells so summery. Honestly, it smells so summery, so beautiful, and it just smells good. Like, I'm not very good at explaining smells, so I'll try and explain. The way I can explain it is it literally smells of the beach. That's it, really. It smells of the beach. And I use this all the time. I also have it in my bathroom as well for when people come round, which they don't anymore, but when people do, and if anyone goes in the bathroom, they can just spritz themselves with this, because that's what I love about going to people's houses. You know, when they've got like a little body mist that you can just spritz yourself with? I love that. Then they sent over two, this is what I chose by the way, then they sent over two of these perfume mists, and this one is called Sunset Sky. Look at the packaging, it is just absolutely stunning. And also this really smells, I would say, this smells very feminine, very floral, very feminine, and again, just absolutely beautiful. I love the packaging, I love the smell. I really recommend these if you want to try them. Then this one, I love this one for a day-to-day thing. This is like my day one because it's quite musky and not so strong as the others. So this one is the White Musk and Coconut Perfume Mist, and it's in a beautiful white bottle with this lovely pattern here, crisscrossing. It's so nice. And this one, yeah, is very, very coconutty, but it just smells so damn good. And I like to wear this one on a daily. I love that one. Moving on, they have sent over quite a lot of perfumes. I'm very, very grateful. Beyond words, I'm grateful. So they've sent over the Miss So Sugar Rush perfume. I'm sorry about my cat, but she wants to look out the window. They sent over their Miss So Sugar Rush perfume. This one is just so feminine again and so pretty, and just this one smells more sweeter and I like it. Very sweet, very sexy and sweet. So this one's more of like a date night, I think, personally. But again, packaging absolutely gorgeous. Love how they present their perfumes, I really do. The next one they sent across was this Daydream one, which has got more of a tint of a yellow to it. And this one smells, they all smell amazing, but I'm trying to explain them. Not very good at explaining smells. This one is more stronger and more woody, and just read about it. I can't explain, but that one's again really nice. And then this one, Love Potion, I think has to be my favourite out of them. This one's very girly, very sweet, very floral, very Jimmy Choo vibes, just really, really nice, very sweet. I love that one. So thank you so much, So Fragrance, for sending them across, and I really will miss you, the manager that sent me them. So I really will. Right, next package we have is another brand that I work with on a regular basis, and they are called Scilla Rose, and this is a family run business. But when I say, when you are a blogger and whatever, you receive parcels, YouTube, whatever you want to call it, I receive PR for my blog and my Instagram and my channel. So there's not just one place really, but I just share it on my channel because it's easier. And when I say that this brand has got their packaging down to a T, I mean it. This brand inspires me for my future self. If I ever want to bring out something later on, like I've always dreamt of bringing out a jewellery line, and I feel like this brand, or even like some makeup brushes, just something, this brand has got it down to a T, the packaging. So the brand is called Scilla Rose, and it says, I'm here for you. Now, they are a skincare brand, but they also do a few other things. So I have opened it, but we love this stuff. But I wanted to show you guys what they sent across. So first of all, she has sent across these lovely face masks. So you know we have to wear these face masks, and why not make them cute? That's what I say, like why not look cute with them and match them to like your outfits and things, because it's the new normal. So this one is a peach one, and it's so silky. Oh, it's adorable. It's got these little tightening attachments here, so you can literally tighten this, and it just, I've got lip balm on, but you know, they're just so good. They're nice and big and large, so they seem to fit everybody's face because I've got a big face. So yeah, the next one they sent across was this beautiful baby blue one, and again, I love this one. So pretty. Love these. So as you can see, I've kind of messed it up because I have had a look, because I did post on my Instagram, but it says be your own kind of beautiful, Scilla Rose, hashtag skin yoga, and it's scilarose.co.uk if you wanted to check out their brand. So you get this little leaflet, and it says, with compliments, Melissa. Scilla Rose is dedicated to enhancing natural beauty and well-being and preventing the signs of aging the natural way, harnessing the natural power of healing and cleansing quartz formed through thousands of years. Scilla Rose would love to share the joy, peace and sacred healing of our truly natural, authentic tools for beautiful glowing skin that inspires confidence at any age. Be your own kind of beautiful, and that is their motto. So we've got this lovely stuff which comes in handy for me now for my little girl, because she's into like so much sensory at the moment, and this is perfect for that, so I'll be saving that. So when I say packaging is just beautiful, I mean look at this. Just, this box is vibes. Like, I love it. I just absolutely love this gorgeous, the packaging is just beautiful. So we have the Jade and Rose Quartz Gua Sha set. Oh, they've fallen out. So in here we have these gorgeous skincare tools. So this one is the Gua Sha or Gua Sha. So this green one here is the green jade, and this is a lucky stone. So the green jade carries the energy of the earth and nature, providing the energy of abundance that heals and opens the heart of chakra. It creates harmony of the mind, body and spirit, and it helps to bring prosperity and wealth into all areas of your life. So if you are into crystals and things, I would definitely recommend to try these. And what I love about it is the shape of it. So obviously I've got some makeup on, but what you want to do is you literally just put it into here and you can just drag it up, and it helps with depuffing, anti-aging, just improves your skin in general. You can put serums on with it, moisturizers on with it. You can have a lovely, lovely pamper night with it. It's very, very good. And then the next one along is the Rose Quartz, which is the Stone of Love. The crystal of Venus, the goddess of love and beauty, resonates within the entire body to heal all matters of the heart chakra and attracts every kind of love. It keeps negativity away and brings good vibes. So that sounds good to me. And this one again is for anti-aging, depuffing. And the thing with this one, look how stunning that is, it's so nice. But the thing with this one is it's got different sort of shape to it. So you can get into this bit, you can do this, do you know what I mean? You can really get this across your skin, and it is a very, very good shape. So I am very, very looking forward to trying these. Thank you so much, Scilla Rose, for sending these across. Okay. Also, she has sent across, honestly, she's so thoughtful. Also, she has sent across a little bag to put it in, and a little cleaning cloth as well, which again has got the brand on it. This, like I said to you, this brand has just got packaging down to a T. I think it is absolutely stunning how impressive this family run business and how much effort they put into their products, and just their packaging is insane. The last package we have is from Scilla Rose. Neck massager, intelligent neck massager. So this is on Amazon, and I got sent it across, and it's actually in pink, and it's very sweet. So it comes in pink and it comes in silver. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like. So you get this little bag and you get the product here, and this is the neck massager. So here it is. Now the cool thing about this is it's battery, like you charge it. You can charge this. So there's no plugs. You don't have to sit anywhere and plug it into anywhere. You could literally go upstairs with this. You can take it in the garden, wherever you go. Anywhere you go, you can take this with you. Also, another cool thing is it's got this little remote in there, which I think is just awesome. This little remote here. How cool is that? And what you do is you put it on your neck and you press the little plus and the minus to do intensity. You can change settings to different things. And the best way to do this is to damp your neck and then you put it on. Now, I was expecting this to be very, very vibrating because I do have a bad neck at the moment, because I had a very, very severe infection 2 years ago. And I'm still struggling with my neck and my back. So I thought this would be a very, very good thing to try. Now, I was expecting it to be really, really vibrating on my neck, and it wasn't until I found out that it's actually electric. So it zaps you, and that is how it helps with your muscles. So you guys, that's it. I am so sad I haven't got Pixie to show you because I really wanted to show you, but maybe the parcel will come, maybe it won't. Hopefully I can put it into next week's PR or another week or whatever. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know if you did, and if there's any products that you're going to try out. I'll try and link everything down below that I've got, and please subscribe if you are new. It would mean so, so much to me. Make sure you follow my Instagram as well. And thank you all to the brands that have sent me things, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!